thought for a video, like coming back from not uploading for I think almost a whole year, my everyday makeup routine would be a good one to kind of slowly get back into things. Let's just get to it. So the first thing I'm going to be starting off with is this Neutrogena Hydro Boost Water Gel. Next I'm going to be going in with is this e.l.f. Dude! Primer I'm going to be using is Poreless Putty Primer by e.l.f. So then I'll just put that on my like T-zone area. And then after I put on all my primers, I'm going, seriously Haley, I'm going in with the e.l.f. 16 Hour Camo Conceal. I was going with this before. That's a lot. Guys, I'm struggling, it's fine. Ah! Really? And then some on the nose and some on the forehead. Usually I use this Maybelline Matte Poreless Fit Me foundation, but this is too dark for me. And I wanted to try Neutrogena Hydro Boost. It's just a hydrating tint, so if you like a little bit more full coverage, you of course can use whatever foundation you like. So it comes with this like big doe foot applicator. Oh, I didn't even blend all my concealer. It's okay if this is too dark for me. It's also okay if my beauty blender is dirty, and it's also okay if my brushes are dirty. Now I'm just gonna blend all of this out better than I did for my concealer with the same beauty blender. I'm gonna be using the L'Oreal Hydra Perfect Day. I don't really know. I tap in my beauty blender and then I just put it underneath my eyes. I'm gonna go in with this dirty brush, dip it in the powder, and then swirl it where I didn't press it in and where I pressed it in. I also need a new Hoola bronzer because I hit pan very badly on this one. So I'm like scraping in here with this dirty brush that I need to wash. And like, got some. What I'm gonna do is go in with this powder and I'm just gonna like blend out every part of the bronzer. This also helps like if you put too much on to dial it down. And then I'm going to go in with this Falling Apart Tarte Blush in the shade Peaceful. This has some shimmer to it. Going back in with the same brush and blending it out. If you thought that was a lot of blush, then you can just dial it down with some. Girl, you need to talk while you're not doing stuff. Okay, then you can just dial it down with some translucent powder. Now going back with my Hoola bronzer, I'm gonna take like a dense brush. Anyway, I'm gonna take a dense brush like this, swirl it around in here, and plopping it in there and then kind of blending it in a windshield wiper motions. But then I'm gonna go in with this because right now I look ridiculous and just blend, 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 blend. I'm gonna be going in with this Wet n Wild highlighter. Yeah. And I'm just gonna plop it on my cheek. And then I'm gonna just put a little bit on my nose. Next, I'm gonna be just brushing out my eyebrows before I start my eyebrows. I really don't find it necessary to fill in the whole eyebrow. It just takes way too long. So I just try and add where I think I need to add with this Total Temptation Maybelline Eyebrow Definer. Then after that, I go in with this weird spoolie they have on it, and I just comb through it to make sure the product is distributed everywhere. And even though we're going to be going in with the eyebrow gel, I still like to do this to make sure that there isn't any gaps in where I applied the eyebrow pencil. I'm going to be going in with the CoverGirl Easy Breezy Brow, and I'm going to be taking this flat brush that I pinch. It has some concealer left over on it because it... Okay, my camera just turned off again, so I need to hurry up. This brush, flat brush, has a little bit of concealer left over on it, but it's very flat, and I pinch it to make it easier to carve out my brows. It's okay if you're messy with it at the bottom. I quickly go in with this. Next, I'm going to be curling my eyelashes with this eyelash curler that I got from Walgreens. High class. Then after I curl my eyelashes, I'm going to be going in with this Voluminous Lash Paradise by L'Oreal. This is like the dupe for Better Than Sex mascara. Okay, so this is a final look. I hope you all enjoy. And I will see you guys next time. My camera keeps shutting off. Thanks for watching. Peace.